Hey guys, it's Iwa of Nam Life. Today we are making one of the Chinese staple sauces, ginger scallion sauce. So this goes well with just about everything, but you'll typically see it with poached chicken, meats, fish, but you can put it on congee, noodles, rice, really literally everything. It tastes good. And once you make this sauce, it's gonna be hard to not put it on everything. So you really only need 4 ingredients for this recipe: scallion, ginger, a neutral cooking oil, salt. You can add a dash of white pepper if you like. So first you're gonna take your scallion and just finely chop it. You can remove the end. After you've minced it, you wanna continue to chop it. Next, we'll prep the ginger. So what you wanna do is take a spoon and just lightly pull on the outside of the ginger to remove that exterior. And this will make it super easy for you to just use the ginger right away and as much as possible. Spoon is the best way to do this because the ginger has so many rounded edges and it makes it way easier to use than a knife and also less dangerous. There's no danger of cutting yourself here. So you want to do 3 to 4 slices of ginger for this and finely mince them just as fine as you did the scallions. You really want them to be almost mashed. And then next you just want to add a little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon. And then optional, but you can add a dash of white pepper if you like. And then you're going to add a little bit of neutral oil to a pan. So one way to know if your oil is hot enough is to take a tiny piece of ginger and throw it in the pot. See if it instantly sizzles. So this is almost ready. I want it to sizzle just a little bit faster than this because you can see it's still taking some time to actually fry in the pot. But once it instantly sizzles, it's ready, the oil is ready to pour over. We conveniently made this salmon to try our ginger scallion sauce on. So you can put as much as you want or as little. I think you'll probably want to put more of this on the food that you're putting it on. So let's give this a try. So good and salty. So annoying. So as you can see, I can't stop eating the sauce and the salmon already. But again, this is typically served with poached chicken, but you can really put it on anything: seafood, meat, rice, noodles. And so easy to make. It takes like less than 5 minutes and you got a delicious sauce accompanying whatever you're eating. Hope you guys like this sauce. If you're making it, tag us on Instagram at NamLife in your photos, on stories. Let us know what you guys are putting your sauce on. Until next time, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.